Hello, this video is all about finishing white oak butcher block and using a pickling stain that is a whitewash to bring out more of that white in the wood, and then finally finishing it with polyurethane that is water-based and just getting beautiful countertops from that. Okay, so I'm going to do a white pickling stain, and I do that with this Behr fast drying water-based wood stain, and it is the color called Whitewash Pickling. So I'm just using a rag. You can use a brush if you want, but I have found it works just fine just using a rag. And I will put 2 to 3 coats on this, depending on how the color is coming out. I want the stain to get into the grooves, into the cracks of the wood. It'll dry fast, so you have to work fast. In this way, you gotta watch too where the marks are with using a rag. They can sometimes get swirly, and you gotta watch out for that so it doesn't leave it that look on your wood. And that way a brush would be better. Oops, got a little snag there. So this will sit for a couple of minutes and then I'll wipe it off, and then it'll sit for at least another hour before I put on a second coat. So I brought the countertop in the house because it was too cold outside for it to dry and cure correctly with the stain on it. So here we are in the warm house, and we're gonna finish it up today. Okay, I have it all ready. It is has been sanded, whitewashed, sanded again, whitewashed, and sanded one more time with 220 grit. And now I'm going to put the polyurethane on it. For polyurethane, I am using a matte finish of the Varathane Ultimate Polyurethane that is water-based. And I like the matte finish because I don't want the countertops glossy. Now I will let this sit for at least 2 hours to cure and dry. All right, I'm putting on one more coat of polyurethane and we will call it done. White oak butcher block. Blech, can't say butcher block. White oak. I can't say butcher block. White oak.